the roof is on fire. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let the motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker, burn.
Yeah!
Hello, my name is Danny Blue and I'm a dumb white guy. I'm not Blue Rose, my middle school, 5th grade like junior high. I don't know mofo, y'all BT fucking gonna cost my hoe, could you fly? Better get take the heat, cause otherwise we known as get fucking fly. I'm hung like planet Pluto, I just see with the naked eye. If I crash into your anus, gonna stick it with us up, no shot. Cause I'm kind of like Han Solo, always stroking my own Wookiee. I'm the root of all that's evil, but you can call me Cookie. The roof is on fire. The roof is on fire. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let the motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker, burn.
Yeah! Woo!
Yo, this hardcore ghetto gangster image takes a lot of practice. I'm not black like Barry White, no, I am white like Frank Black is. And if that is 5 and the devil is 6, so that must make me 7. This honk is going to heaven, but if I go to hell, well then I hope I burn well. I'll spend my days with JFK, my gay, my Korean Lawrence, Kurt Cobain, Kojak's my twin, and Jimi Hendrix, Poltergeist, and Webster, yeah, Emmanuel Lewis, he's the Antichrist. The roof is on fire. The roof